As a designer, you can create a filter for viewers that includes only selected fields. In this example, the filter includes a list of all countries, but you can show the filter as having only 3 countries in the list, either a list of 3 specific countries, or as a ranking that includes the top 3 countries based on another field and changes over time. Let's look at how to create a background filter. In a filter without selected values, open the Filters menu and click Create Background Filter. You can then define the limited filter options, so I will use our example of all countries and select just 3 of them. Now click OK and notice the lock icon. Now when the viewers see the filter, it will only include 3 countries, and of course the filter can be further modified by the user. But the user will not have access to the countries that we've removed, and no lock icon appears, indicating the background filter. This is useful in cases when you want to make it easier for viewers to focus on selected data only, and there's a lot of data available. Or it can be useful for security, when you don't want to give access to all the data. You can also edit the background filter or make changes to your filter, either by editing the filter or by selecting values directly in the filter. Just select Set as Background Filter. To remove a background filter, just click Remove Background Filter in the Filters menu.